Hi, this is Shelley Costello. Many of you know me as the organizer and founder of ABC Business Connectors, home of the great ABC Business Networking Groups held at Seasons 52 in Altamont Springs and Seasons 52 at Sand Lake and Dr. Phillips, and the great Connect Over coffee groups, mastermind and workshop groups at the Jackson Hewitt Tax Center. See how exciting networking your business can be at ABC Business Connectors.
Shelley Costello introduced me to the world of networking here in Orlando, and through her direct connections that she's helped facilitate, I've met some really wonderful people. And to be totally honest, it's yielded about $20,000 in sales for me personally in the last 4 months. Whether it be Good Feet, Jackson Hewitt, Bella Spas, we've made some great connections and folks that have really found use for the U-Haul opportunities through ABC Networking. And I'd like to thank Shelley personally for all that she's done in facilitating the introductions and helping me to promote my business throughout the Orlando market. Thanks, Shelley. You're a champ.